Hey, I'm at the McDowell Nature Preserve. Last time I was here, I took the Four Seasons Trail, and today I'm on the Shady Hollow, is it? Shady something. I just read the sign and forgot it that quick. Anyway, I'm on a different trail. Whoa, look at this. I don't know if you can see this. How about that? A big old spider web right across the trail. I'm going to see if I can sneak under him. All right, happy hunting. This looks a lot like Crowder's Mountain. And eventually, I think we're going to head down toward the water. Well, I made it to the water. This is the Kingfisher Trail, a blue triangle. I was on the Shady Hollow Trail, which is an orange dot. And that led into, well, that kind of came to a junction, and then I took this one. So this is part of Lake Wylie, which is, I believe it's a man-made lake formed by the Catawba River. So I think that's far enough for now. The threatening rain. Hey, the threatening rain, and I don't want to get caught up in that situation. I'll come back another day and do more. Peace.